a to the power a plus a is 74 and 32 power of a is the 3 by 2. So find out the a value. How to find out this a value? First we can write this we can write the 2 to the power 3, this we can write, and this is a is multiplied, and there is the 2 to the power 6 is, and there is the 16 is 2 to the power 4, and this power multiply, and there is the 2 to the power 5 and power is multiplied is the 3 by 2. And now there take the common 2 to the power 3a, so there is the 1 and this is the 2 to the power 3a, and divide this take the 2 to the power 4a, so there is the 1 and this is the 5a minus 4a, so 2 to the power 2a, this is the 3 by 2. So there is the 2 to the power 3a minus 2 to the power 4a, and there is the 1 plus this is the 2 to the power 3a, and this is the 1 plus 2 to the power a is equal to 3 by 2. So here we can write this is the 2 to the power, this is minus a, and this is the 1 plus this is we can write 2 to the power a power of cube, and this is the 1 plus 2a, this is the 3 by 2, this is the 3 by 2, and this is again this is the 2a, and this is the 1 plus 2 to the power a cube, and this is the 1 plus 2a, this is the 3 by 2. And now we take this 2 to the power a is equal to the x, so there is the 1 by x, and this is the 1 plus this x, so this is the x cube, and this is the 1 plus x is the 3 by 2. And now this is the a cube plus b cube formula. There is the a plus b, and there is the a square minus ab plus b square. So we use this, so there is the 1 plus x, and there is the 1 square is 1, and this 1 into x, so x, and this is the x square, and this is the x, and this is the 1 plus x, this is the 3 by 2. And now this cut, and this is multiply here, so 2 the 2x, and this is the 2x square, and this is the multiply is the 3, this is the 3x, and now this is 2x square, and this is the minus 2x, and this is the minus 3x, and this is plus 2, this is a 0 because this is here and this here first here. So now this is the 2 square, and this is the minus 5x is plus 2 is equal to 0, and now this is 2x square, and this is the 4x plus 4x, there is the this is minus x plus 2 is equal to 0, and we take the 2x common, so this is the x minus this is the 2, and this is the minus 1 is take the common, so x this is minus 2 is equal to 0. So here we can write the this x minus 2 is take the common, so there is the 2x minus this 1 is equal to 0. So we can write x is equal to is 2 is 0, So x value is 2, and there is the 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x value is, there is minus this plus 1 and by 2, so 1 by 2. This is the minus 1. So now 2a is equal to x. So 2a is equal to x is equal to 2. So 2a is equal to the 2. 2 is 1. So a value is 1. This a value is 1. And there is the x is this. And so 2a is equal to this is the 2 minus 1. So a value is get the minus 1. So a value is plus 1 and a value is minus 1. So verified is a is 1. So there is a is 1. So there is the 8. This is 1. This is the 1. And this is the thing is 1. And this is the 1. So there is the 7. This is the 8. So cut this 24. So there is the 3. And this is 24 is 2. So this is the verified. So a value is 1 is right. And a value is minus 1. This is verified. So a value is minus 1. So 8, this is minus 1. This is the minus 1. This is the similarly minus 1. And this is the minus 1. So minus 1. So this is 1 by 8. This is the 1 by 64. And this is the 1 by 7. And this is the 16. And this is the 32. So now LCM is 4. And this is so 8. And this is the 1. And this is the LCM is 32. So this is the, there is the 2 and there is the 1. So there is the 9 and 64. And there is the 3, 32. So you can write 9, 64. And this is the 32 by 3. So cut there is 3 and cut there is 2. So there is the 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is proved. So a is minus 1 is v, right? So a value is this or this. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.